Okay, so in this video, we're gonna again use matrices, and we're gonna do a few functions like finding inverses and using a call function, which I'll explain later. So we have four or five matrices that actually have values in them. These right here, and six actually, and then we have three that are gonna act as kind of the what's going to get filled into them. That's why there's zero. So x1, c2, and c3 are going to basically be the answers. So this first one essentially multiplies a 3 by 4 and a 4 by 3. Um, okay, so on this we're going to do again a few functions with matrices, like finding inverse matrices and multiplying different dimensions. So all of these are basically the ones I'm using right here, and that's going to be using these problems. And these three, mat x1, mat c2, and mat c2 or c3 are basically going to be where the answers are going to be filled in. That's why they all have zeros. So like one of the equations we have multiplies a and b, so we have a 4 by or a 3 by 4 by a 4 by 3, which is going to equal c, and then we have an inverse, and we basically have the opposite right here. And then we have another one, kind of like the first one right here. And then another thing that we're using in this one that's different than other ones and is we're using a call function. A call function basically uses the code from another file into this one. So I named a matrix, which comes from this one, which is a function that basically helps with intervals and basically just doing inverses. So it's a lot easier than just kind of typing this entire thing out again in this, which is why we use a call function. And so we have again a and b, which is equaling the two variables being multiplied, and these are the opposites. And yeah, that's basically it. When you run it, all of it should pop out. I made another variable over here for this last one, just a name, and that's what's going to equal. And then again, we have a return statement. And yep,